This is the GT Max 1, mostly made out of aluminum, carbon fiber, and the handles are cast of silicone that makes it with a hardness of a 70 short A, which it resembles polyurethane, and it's been colored black because it's the most popular and it doesn't get dirty that quickly. We have installed this steering wheel with a short hub that we got from Subi Speed. They were kind enough to send us this for a regular price of $140, but with taxes and shipping to Colorado, where I live, it's $168 with 75, but the product is pretty nice. It comes with a couple resistors that when you remove your steering wheel, it tells the computer in the car that your airbag is still there. It's not. That NRG short hub comes with the wiring so you can install your horn, because most quick connectors have the ability to install the horn, but not the one I installed. The one I installed is pretty much the cheapest one, the most inexpensive one that you can get from Amazon. It's even less than $50. We wanted a horn, we wanted a quick connector that was light enough so it wouldn't make our steering wheel, too heavy when we remove it from the car. And we installed a couple parts that we ordered from the UK. We did some wiring, we machined a couple aluminum parts, and we made this quick connector able to support the horn. The steering wheel is composed by the main frame. You can use the steering wheel with no data or anything, but right now we have a phone that goes into this cassette style steering wheel. The only phone that we have the steering wheel supports is a Samsung S20 5G, Samsung Galaxy S20. And okay, sending me a message that my trial period expired on my dash command. So for $9.99 I'm gonna buy this app. It looks so good, unless you run out of data and it freezes in there. But if that happens to you and you don't want to spend the $9.99, you can go and use an app called Ulysses, which the free version can do just about anything that you want to do, and does not connect with OBD that I know of, but it gives you a speedometer, compass, and altitude, and you can have a really shortcut to GPS. All that with your maps, and all this speed and everything just does it by GPS. So gives you the time and the date. So it's pretty awesome. And if you want to do a shortcut, just push the GPS button and it says, hey, you want the maps? And yeah, it shows you the maps, and you can type it or you can use the microphone and get the address where you want to go to. Let's go back to Ulysses and let's keep giving you some information about this steering wheel. This one that I have here has been set up with the three most important things that you need for a full setup for this steering wheel. Is the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G phone. Then right behind these three buttons there are three flick buttons. They're Bluetooth buttons. Of course, the phone, the Bluetooth buttons, the flicks, they don't come with the steering wheel. And the last but not least thing that you would like to have is the OBD2 connector, the OBD2 scanner. I remember the one I bought about a little over 2 years ago was a really inexpensive one. It was about $11 in Amazon. The experience is pretty good. I really love to drive this thing with gloves, racing gloves. This makes me feel like I'm racing, unless I get caught by a cop. But other than that, I think you should experience by yourself. You need to have a little bit of practice before you just put the steering wheel in your car and just start driving like a maniac. We're slowing down, and I hope you like this presentation of the GT Max 1 steering wheel. And we'll work on iPhones, probably the iPhone 12, and see if we can make it part of the lineup that we can put on the GT Max, and that'll probably be the GT Max 2. But we need to make sure that there are enough people interested in this, so we can start designing and fabricating the steering wheel that will hold an iPhone instead of an Android. So thank you to everyone, and hope we hear from you pretty soon. The video will be posted in YouTube, linked to our channel, our website. So we hope you make your selection of red on black carbon fiber. You can pick the black with silver carbon fiber, or you can have the gold on black carbon fiber. So till then, you guys have a good day. Bye.